Yesterday, I watched a survivor freeze mid-sentence when someone leaned in to listen. Her body read closeness as a threat, not by choice, but because her amygdala once learned a tragic rule: love equals danger. Pendulation is the gentle rhythm between activation and ease, noticing tension, then finding safety, letting the nervous system test both without getting stuck. That's the work, not erasing the past, but updating the prediction. Each safe moment rewires the brain. The body that once braced for pain can learn to brace for presence. This is trauma-informed care in practice, not wishful thinking, but a repeatable method. Your nervous system isn't broken. Now it's learning a new rhythm, one breath, one choice, one safe moment at a time.